just cover first the floods in the north. So I've had a bit of a look, and as far as I could figure out, a lot of the bigger floods that's happening above, north of the Witwatersrand, and that water is not flowing to the Orange. There, it's going to the Limpopo River, going to rivers flowing east, not west, and the Vaal Dam. Let's start on that side. So the flows above the Vaal Dam, there's nothing that's really high, 200-300 cubic meters per second, not the 2,000 or 3,000 that we've had a couple of years ago. And that means, though the Vaal Dam is full, 101%, flowing out about 60 cubic meters per second into the Bloemhof Dam, and there are other subsidiary rivers around, I think it's Orkney, that area that flows also into Bloemhof. Means that Bloemhof is now outflowing at 330 cubic meters per second, and it's now down to 99.8%, so they opened some gates, keeping it, not allowing it to go over 100% at the moment. That water is going down the Orange River, into the Orange River, and Gariep, the flow above Gariep, Oranjedraai, Aliwal Noord, there's flows there of about 250 up to 300 cubic meters per second, and the outflow from Gariep Dam is about 70 cubic meters per second. So it is still slowly climbing. It's at about 87% now. Van der Kloof Dam below it, that about 70 cubic meters per second is flowing into Van der Kloof. Van der Kloof is now at 67%, and they stopped the outflow from Van der Kloof because there's enough water coming from Bloemhof Dam. So there are some signs showing that the flow at Prieska is 580 cubic. That's not correct. 520, I think it was said in some places. The actual flow is around 380 cubic, and that means that 380 is just enough. So when you drive on this road to Doringbaai here, you're driving through water, but it's not enough to raise it to a level where you cannot get through. So we're expecting a lift here of about half a meter, roughly. It varies along the river, it depends on how wide the river is. So that's quite a lot more water than we have at the moment. At the moment it's about, the last numbers I saw was about 80 cubic meters per second. So it's going to go up by about 300 cubic meters per second. So that'll give us quite a bit more flow. But that's the situation on the Orange River right now. It's quite humid here, and we saw a lot of rains to our north and east, which gave the Kalahari some rain. So I've got a friend that showed some footage of wet roads in the Kalahari, which is good. Anyway, that's the Orange River, Orange and Vaal systems. See you on the next one. Cheers.